feeling sad or worried easily. Try these tips. Do you ever feel sad for no reason? Or maybe you get worried even when nothing big is wrong? If yes, you're not alone. I felt that way too. Some days I woke up and everything felt heavy. Bad thoughts came like, today will be awful, or I can't do anything. But I learned something. We can handle feeling sad or worried easily. It doesn't go away fast, but with small steps, life gets lighter. This article has easy tips for you if you feel like this a lot. Let's try them together. Why do we feel sad or worried? So easily. Before the tips, let's understand why this happens. Feeling sad or worried is normal. They're like guests. Sometimes they stay short, sometimes long. But if they come too often, there's a reason. It could be stress, too many thoughts, or bad habits. For example, I used to stay up late watching dramas until 2 a.m. The next day, I was tired, couldn't think straight, and felt sad easily. I found out that not sleeping enough makes my brain slow at handling feelings. My friend worried about work piling up, and I felt sad seeing social media posts where everyone looked perfect. Little things like these can start it, but don't be afraid. We can change this slowly. I have a friend named Rena. She said, "I'm so scared about my presentation tomorrow. I'll fail for sure." She worried every day, couldn't sleep, and felt sick. I gave her some simple ideas, and after she tried them, she said, "I didn't know I could feel calmer now." You can feel that way too. Here are the tips that helped me and Rena, and I hope they help you. Tip 1. Find what makes you sad or worried. The first step is knowing what makes you feel sad or worried. Be like a detective for yourself. Take paper and a pen, then write when you feel it. For example, I felt sad when I saw my friend's vacation on Instagram and I stayed home. Or, I got worried thinking about work tomorrow. Write it honestly. You can use your phone notes if you don't like writing by hand. When you know what starts it, you can fix it a little. If social media makes you sad, try not using your phone for 1 hour a day. Read a book or listen to music instead. If work worries you, break it into small parts, like, today, I'll just write 1 sentence, tomorrow more. I used to worry about meeting new people. I wrote it down and saw it was because I was scared they'd think I'm weird. So I practiced talking slowly with close friends first, and the worry got smaller. Once, I felt sad because it rained all day. I wrote it, then realized I needed to sing or watch a funny movie to feel better. It's simple, but works. Try finding your triggers today. Tip 2. Breathe to feel calm. When you're sad or worried, your breathing gets fast and short. Your body feels tight, and your mind gets messy. Breathing right can help a lot. It's easy. Breathe in slowly through your nose for 4 counts, hold it for 2 counts, then let it out slowly through your mouth for 6 counts. Do this 5 times, or until you feel relaxed. I tried this when I was worried about a test result. At first I thought, just breathing? Really? But after 2 minutes, my body felt light, and my mind stopped racing. It's like a reset button for your brain. Rena did it too when she panicked before a presentation. She said, "I breathed in the bathroom, and my hands stopped shaking." You can do it anywhere, in your room, on the bus, or during a break. I like closing my eyes to focus more. Try it now if you want. Tip 3. Move your body to feel fresh. Sometimes we feel sad or worried because energy stays stuck in our body. If you sit all day, your body slows down, and your mind does too. Moving helps. You don't need hard exercise. Walk for 10 minutes around your house or stretch. Lift your arms high, breathe in, then lower them slowly. You can even jump a little while listening to your favorite song. I didn't like moving before, but when I tried walking in the morning with music, I felt different. The sadness didn't go away completely, but it wasn't so heavy. Rena has a funny story. She said, "I danced alone in my room to a kid's song and laughed. My worry ran away. I tried doing 5 push-ups once when I was sad. I got tired, but my mind focused on my arms, not my problems. Moving your body makes your heart and mind fresh again. Try it tomorrow morning. Just 5 minutes. Tip 4. Write down your feelings. When your head is full of sad or worried thoughts, write them on paper. This is called journaling. It doesn't need to be neat or fancy, just be honest. Write anything in your mind, like, "I'm sad because I can't go out with my friends." Or, "I'm worried my boss will be mad about late work." After writing, read it, then ask yourself, is this really that serious? Can I do something? I write every night. I used to think, writing won't help. But when I tried, I felt so much better. My messy thoughts got clearer. Once, I wrote, "I'm scared I'll have no friends," then read it and saw it was just a moment. Rena said, "I write, then rip the paper. It's like throwing worry away." Try writing for 5 minutes a day or when you're upset. Use a special notebook or old paper. It doesn't matter. Just let it out. Tip 5. Find small things that make you happy. When you're sad or worried, you forget the little things that make you smile, but they're like simple medicine. Find what you like, then do it. Maybe eat chocolate, watch a funny cartoon, sit in a park, or listen to a happy song. It doesn't need to cost money or be hard, just something you enjoy. I like sitting on my balcony with warm tea. It's only 10 minutes, but I feel calm, like the world slows down. Rena said she likes drawing little doodles when she's worried. Focusing on the pencil makes me forget fear, she said. I cooked instant noodles with an egg once when I was sad. It wasn't just food. I felt proud of myself. What makes you happy? Write 3 small things you like, then try one tomorrow. It'll make your heart lighter. Tip 6. Talk to someone you trust. Sometimes sadness and worry grow bigger when we keep them inside. So, talk to someone you trust, a friend, family member, or neighbor. You don't need to tell everyone, just one person who understands. Say, "I'm feeling sad. Can I talk?" Good people usually like to listen. I was scared to talk before, thinking people would call me weak or dramatic. But when I told my sister, she said, "Cry if you want." I cried, then felt better somehow. Rena talked to her mom when she worried about work. Her mom said, "Don't be afraid. Take it slow." She said, "I didn't feel alone anymore." I told a school friend once, and he said, "Eat first, then sleep." The next day was easier. Try opening up to someone close, even for 5 minutes. Tip 7. Stop bad thoughts with enough. Bad thoughts come fast, like "I'm useless" or "tomorrow will fail." If you let them stay, sadness and worry get worse. Stop them by saying "enough" in your head. For example, when I worried about failing a test, I said, "Enough, I studied. I'll just try." Then I switched my mind to something else, like watching cat videos or singing a random song. It takes practice. At first, it's hard, but it becomes a habit. Rena said, "I say enough, then sing a kid's song. My worry disappears." I tried it when I was sad about work. I said, "Bisabul, enough, I can only do what I can." Then I opened my window, looked at the sky, and the bad thoughts left slowly. Try saying enough loud in your head, then find a simple distraction like drinking water or walking to the kitchen. Tip 8. Make a small plan to feel in control. Sometimes we feel sad or worried because life feels messy. No plan makes everything crazy. So make a small schedule. It's not hard. Just write 3 things you'll do tomorrow. Like, wake up at 7, eat breakfast, work for 1 hour. When you finish, put a check mark. It makes you feel like you're in charge. I didn't like plans before. I thought, too much work. But when I tried, I felt calmer. Today I wrote, walk 10 minutes, write 5 minutes, watch TV. When I finished, I was happy, like, I can do things. Rena tried, too. She said, I wrote shower, eat, read. Finishing one felt like winning. Make a small plan tomorrow. Not too much, just 3 things. You're strong, take it slow. Sadness and worry are part of life, but they don't have to control you forever. With these tips, find your triggers, breathe, move, write, find happiness, talk, stop bad thoughts, and plan. You can get stronger. You don't need to be perfect right away. Just start. I believe you have the power to handle this. Today might feel heavy, tomorrow might still be hard, but it'll get better slowly. Try one tip first, like breathing slowly now with your eyes closed. Feel the difference. Then tomorrow, add more. Walk or write. Life isn't always easy, but you're not alone. Me, Rena, and lots of people are learning like you. We can all get better step by step. So, feeling sad or worried easily, you can beat it. Start now. You're great. Keep going.